In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Thompson Chicago. This luxurious hotel is located in Chicago's Gold Coast and is just steps away from Michigan Avenue and downtown's finest dining and nightlife destinations. As we entered the Thompson, the warm, inviting lobby and friendly staff made a great first impression as we went through the quick check-in process. Let's take a look at our room 2011. It's a high floor king. So as soon as you enter, there's a large mirror by the door. And here is a quick look at the room. First, let's take a look at the closet. It's a double door closet with a safe, some shelves, and they did give one pair of slippers, which is weird because usually all the hotels give us two, so I'm not sure why they're leaving one in there. So there's ironing board, and then we have a couple of our backpacks and one luggage in here. Let's close that up. And there's a lot of plugs here, so you don't have to worry about running out of plugs. There's a couple right there. There's one there, and then two USB plugs right there. There's the radio. Here's the king size bed. And this is probably like a 42-inch TV. A coffee maker. And here are the coffee pods. Let's take a look at the fridge. So they have a bunch of snacks, liquor, and drinks in here. And here are the cold drinks. So there's a bunch of beer, some water, and sodas. Here's a little office desk. And a lounge chair with this lamp right on top of you. And here is our view of the city. Pretty nice view up here on the 20th floor. There's a lot of restaurants here, so it's a very convenient location. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It's a single sink. There's the toilet. And here is the shower. It's a rainfall shower with the Bowmakers products that all the Thompsons we go to, that's what they use. That's the standard product to use. And they all smell really good. So here's the sink. And what do they provide in here? Just normal Q-tips and cotton swabs. The lotion and the Bowmakers soap. Those smell really good. And that is a quick tour of our high floor king here at the Thompson Chicago. It was disappointing there were no restaurants open at the hotel, so we had to settle for in-room dining for breakfast. We ordered fruit juices, a turkey BLT sandwich, an American breakfast, and French toast, which was my favorite item. Tavern on Rush is the hotel's modern steakhouse and bar, which is scheduled to open in late summer of 2024. There's also a grab-and-go market in the lobby for drinks, snacks, and other essential items you might need. Let's take a look at the gym. So they have a couple of exercise bikes right here. Some dumbbells. And a cable machine, which is nice. Have another area with more cardio equipment. So there's two Peloton bikes. 3 treadmills, and 2 ellipticals. Thompson Chicago event venues boast 6,000 square foot of modern meeting spaces for large and small gatherings. It's a great place to have your wedding or conference with the bustling Gold Coast neighborhood as the backdrop. We had a good stay at the Thompson Chicago. The hotel was clean with a good-sized standard room and walking distance to many luxury shops and restaurants. It's a nice place to stay, but we would pick a location closer to the Riverwalk during our next visit to the Windy City. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.